What is going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency stream. For those of you who don't know, I'm a professional leverage trader and instructor, and I make my living trading cryptocurrency with some very serious efficiency. If you want to learn how to trade better, head right over to the website, get signed up. Links are below and above. And for those of you who want the little additive edge in the trading field, you've got to follow me on my socials. For instance, I change the color of my eyes, which way I'm leaning in the market that day, and that can really help you guys with your entries and exits. Today I wanted to talk about Electroneum. That pattern that I've been talking about, the inverse head and shoulders, is playing out very nicely. For instance, we're getting that sideways movement that I was talking about. Are we going to get a break, for instance, a crashing down or a crashing up, retesting what was polar support now as a resistance? Guys, we have a lot of stuff to go over today. If you are not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and I'm going to dive right into the price action. Alright guys, we're going to work on Electroneum right here, and we've definitely had some very clear patterns playing out right here. For instance, we had a head and shoulders pattern which broke out, for instance, taking the target projection from the head to the point of support. And notice we literally had a perfect touch right there, guys. It does not get any better than that. Let me know in the comments if you actually caught that trade. And we have a pattern forming out right now. For instance, we could have a wedge right here, or we could have potentially a triple bottom right here. But right now I'd like to use wedge theory in these moments and just watch this kind of teeter around for a little bit and then play as it breaks either resistance and or support, guys. And then we also have that little triple bottom, okay? This could form the equal point of resistance. Notice we could get a breakout either way here. So guys, there's been some confusion. I've seen some people say, you know, oh, anybody can say it can go either way. Guys, you have to play the indication plays to know which way it's going. For instance, when I make a video, it might not be happening at this exact moment. For instance, we had a crossing to the up. We're retesting resistance right now. If we break, we will ride up to at least green or blue, which is the estimated moving averages, the 100 and the 200. Okay, you can also flip on the 55. Usually when we break the 55, there's usually a continuation movement in that direction. If you look back in time, you can see when it was broken, we followed. When it was broken, it was followed. When it was broken, it was followed. So if we break it right here, we could be anticipating a higher move, which could pump Electroneum up to 0.0035 quite easily if you measure target projection. Okay, so that would be measured from the tallest point of resistance to the lowest candle, the wick, okay, to the potential point of breakout, and we could end up right back in this department here. So I'm actually looking a little bit more bullish than I have been in the last few days. There's definitely been a nice little pump going on in Bitcoin, which is great, guys. And Electroneum is actually doing some really healthy movement as well. As I've said, we need to get back towards reverse pressure. So for instance, that is right up here now. So I think if we get a break up into this department here, that's a good sign. We could even retest this polar, what was support, now resistance. And then if we break that, guys, we could end up with some good pattern development here. And yes, we probably will retrace a little bit or get some consolidation and then maybe another move right around here, guys. And that's exactly what I think is going on with Electroneum. And let's just zoom out and look at the daily here. Notice, guys, we've been really kind of just working down this long wedge here. For instance, we could even extend this a little bit here. You know, just extending it straight down. Same with the top. And guys, we're still working this long channel. We're going to get a breakout of it soon, and the target projection is way up here on old school theory of measurement, or in wedge theory is even breaking reverse pressure, even maybe retesting the 200 right here. Okay, guys, so keep an eye out for these movements and play the indications. I like the 7 and the 20 crossing. That's the white and the yellow crossings. Okay, for instance, going down to smaller time frames, you can see these crossings playing out. Play those, and for continuation moves, watch for the breaking of the 55, guys. And that is all the time I have for today. Electroneum crew, there is definitely going to be a massive pop coming here. Play those indication plays to make these trades a reality, and I think the overall price of Electroneum will be much higher over the next 2 years specifically. We'll easily surpass the 4-cent mark we were at, and there's been lots of talk of maybe even hitting over 10 cents or 12 cents moving forward, guys, and that's a massive gain here. I would like to see that happen for Electroneum. They definitely have a lot of good karma going for the project and have kept things working smoothly. There were some problems with the wallets for a while. It never happened to me though, guys, but I heard about it. But everything is still running very smoothly for them, and I think their price will be a replicant of their success moving forward, guys. Be sure to accrue those bags in retracement periods and oversold territory. And just remember, if you don't come from a rich family, A rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.